Hello friends, today we are visiting Thottikallu Falls, which is also popularly known as TK Falls. This falls is situated at Kanakpura Road, only 25 kilometers from Bangalore. You can visit the place on weekends to kill your boredom without long and hectic travel. This type of trips are very much needed to relax on weekends after a hectic work week. Near the falls, there are ample parking space. Also, there's no fee for parking and entry. Best time to visit TK Falls is during monsoon, as water flows add ornamental beauty to the place. I would suggest to carry a pair of clothes in case you like to enjoy a shower in the falls. Although there were no restrictions during our visit, but check before you go. Follow the social distancing and enjoy your day. Please like and subscribe to our channel for new travel videos. Thanks for watching.